Welcome to my crib. So I live in John Jay, which is an all first-year residence hall here on Columbia's campus. I have a single. This dorm is mostly singles and some walk-through doubles. There's a lounge on every floor with a microwave in it, and I live on the 5th floor, so it's a short elevator ride up or a short walk up the stairs. And so this is my room. I'm going to show you around and show you some like dorm essentials. And so first, this is what you see right when you come into the door. It's a clothing rack. I think this is a really good dorm room essential. You can just put your shoes down there, my shower shoes, and some of my winter coats. And so walking this way, I have this little plaque on my wall to have some LGBTQ plus representation. And now I have my bed. And so I lifted my mattress up a few notches so that I can fit the drawers, a mini fridge, and some more IKEA drawers under here. And so you can get this mini fridge at an eco-rep sale for like $10, $15 and sometimes even free. So I'd wait a few weeks and see if those go on sale. And then these drawers come with the dorm itself. And so they're currently kind of empty because I'm moving out, but it fits a lot of clothes in there. And then just for some extra space, I got these IKEA drawers that fit right under my bed. And so I can just fit my hygiene products, some food, some extra clothes in there. And then over here is my desk. I have some food on there because I'm really hungry and I was just editing this video. But I have some more essentials here. I have all my beauty stuff here, some lotion, my water bottle, a lot of books that we have to read for school. And it has more storage space for all your books and pens and pencils and notebooks. And so like I just have some of my cameras here, some Polaroids up to remember my friends from home, and yeah. And then if you move over to this corner here, I just have some more mini drawers from IKEA. Really cheap. Check out IKEA for dorm stuff because it's really inexpensive. And so I just keep a bunch of my Polaroids here, like a little flip book for people to see when they come in. And then here's a little mini fan that doesn't really do much, but it's cute. And then here I have this wall. Like my whole theme is flowers, succulents and stuff. And so I bought these like postcards and I put them on my wall to go with this like little corner here. I bought this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was originally made to store fruit and food in a kitchen, but I made it like a little mini storage space for myself and clothes and extra things that I wanted to keep here. And so I just put some fairy lights around it to make it really cute. And then moving back here, I have my closet. So some dorms have actual wardrobes that are not like they don't have a door, they're just out in the open. And so John Jay has these with the doors, and so I just keep my towels here and my backpack. And then if you open it, there's a full, you're gonna see yourself in the mirror. There's a full mirror here, full body length mirror. And then you have some large spaces to put in all your clothes, and I just have my shower caddy up there with all my like bathroom essentials. And it's a little packed up because I'm moving out soon, but I keep everything in here. It has a lot of space. And so yeah, that's my closet. And then we're back here to the door where I exit. And so the room is actually a decent size. My room is 118 square feet. And some of the singles here go up to like 160 square feet. So you can have a pretty large single if you get lucky. A lot of first years actually get singles. There are other dorm rooms where there are suites, doubles, and special interest housing. And so I got lucky this year. I got my single. And yeah, I hope you enjoy.